guys, so today we the members of group 3 are here with a presentation on the chapter Cold Within. The poem Cold Within, written by James Patrick Kinney, is a simple yet powerful poem which shows mirror to all the mankind in the world. The title given to the poem, The Cold Within, is 100% justified, which means the coldness within our hearts, due to which the man trapped in the cold died with a piece of wood in their hands. In this poem, James Patrick Kinney also talked about the hatred that each human has for another in his or her heart. So now let's look at the further stanzas to understand the poem.
I poems open with the 6 human trapped by chance into the biting cold, whether each man has a stick in his hand. The fire which was keeping them warm was about to die any time, but none is ready to put his or her block to use. Let us see what happened in the further stanzas.
The first man trapped in cold held his hands back as he noticed the person with black complexion. The fire was dying out and was in need of fuel. However, the first person didn't put his log into the fire, doing a discrimination on his dark color.
I am not going to give my piece of log. This man doesn't have complexion like me. Look, how dark is he? It's better to die due to this cold. But I will not give warmth of my log to a person who doesn't have fair and white complexion like me.
Moving towards the next one, the next man looked around and saw that one person in the trapped cold don't belong to his church. He was not a Christian. So the second person also held his hand back and did not give his stick as a fuel to the fire. He is a religious bigot, plain and simple, thus discriminates anyone on the basis of religion.
Jesus, here one of the person doesn't belong to my religion, and you know how loyal I am to my religion. Thus, I will not give my love to the burning fire, as I can't give anything to the person who doesn't belong to my religion.
The third person was a poor man wearing torn and tattered clothes. He used to consider rich as idler and none of work. While he was trapped into the cold, he pulled his coat up to warm himself, thinking that he is the most poor there, and no one rich is ready to give his log. So why should he only give his log? So he also took his hands back and refused to give the piece of log.
I am the most poor here, and I think that always poor has to compromise. And it's totally unfair that poor gives his property when rich didn't give it. Thus, I will not give my piece of log to fire and give warmth to useless rich.
Shifting from the poor, the next and fourth person was rich man, who always thought only about his wealth he had accumulated and of how might he keep his riches away from the hand of the poor, as rich man considered poor as lazy and idle.
We rich are so intelligent, but poor are lazy. And how come even I give my log to the fire whose warmth will be felt by this poor? My property should just belong to me, not to those idler poor.
The fifth person was with the dark skin, and all he thought was taking revenge on all wrong done with him because he was black. All he saw in the stick of wood a chance to exact revenge upon the white skinned man. Being a victim of racial discrimination, he decided to give the white guy's taste of his own medicine. Thus, he also put his hands back and did not give his wood log.
I have seen the discrimination because of my color. Now in the piece of wood, I can see a golden opportunity to seek the revenge of me and my entire black community. Thus, I will not give my piece of log so that it help a wild person to survive.
The last person of the group did nothing except for profit. He was very selfish. He only believed in give and take relation. He only gave to those who can give him something in return. This was the way he used to play the game of the life, and he also refused to give his piece of log because he was getting nothing in return of giving the log.
This is how the world runs. Give and take and give. If I would give this log, what will I get in return? That's nothing. So I will keep my property with me, will not put my log in the burning fire.
The entire group punished in the end, all holding the sticks in their hands. They were failed to be of use to each other due to their inherent prejudice. They refused to acknowledge each other's humanity, and in doing so they died despite having the resource to keep themselves warm and cool.
As in the starting, we said that Cold Within is a simple and powerful poem with a very deep and complex meaning. It's proof. We conclude that in this poem, everybody seems to give the talk. Each one of them was giving one or the other social approvals of belonging to different caste, colors, race. They all were having a ray of hope in their hands, but they all died due to the cold within them. The hatreds they have in a heart and the discrimination somewhere became the reason of their death. And this incident reflects how our society is, how our society thinks about ourselves, how people feel for each other. This is all about the poem Cold Within. As it is said in the poem, everyone has cold or warm within for one or the other person. So try to be happy in your life. And with this, I would like to end our presentation here. I hope you liked our presentation. Thank you.